Do you want to have a cute Korean name yourself? It's easy. Recently, I found this website for my student. First, choose the first two letters of each syllable in your desired name. I recommend picking from your real name. For example, if your name is Mariana, pick M and N. It's Mium and Niun in Korean. I'll show the consonant chart for you. Then, put the two letters here and click the search button. After that, scroll down a bit. You can see lots of names here. You can pick whatever you want. Check if it's feminine or masculine. When you say your name in Korean, we can figure it out quickly if you're a woman or a man. These days, many parents prefer the unisex name for their babies. I recommend using your family name for the last name or the family name. But if you want to use my family name, it's okay. Mine is Kim. And Kim is most common family name in Korea. It's fun, right? Please let me know what your Korean name is in the comment below. Thank you for watching this video. 감사합니다. 다음 영상에서 또 만나요. See you in the next video. Bye!